Sanibonani, hello, hello. Sanibonani, hello, hello. Sanibonani, bangani. Welcome to my classroom. Senamukela eklasini. Wozani sizofunda. Boop. Ugogo ubheka ikhaya. Umkhulu uyalivikela. Sonke sihlale sijabule. Sonke sihlale sijabule. Siyathandana. Siyathandana. Umama uyapheka. Umama uyapheka. Ubaba uyasebenza. Ubaba uyasebenza. Ingane ziyadlala. Ingane ziyadlala. Siyathandana. Siyathandana. Yay! Namhlanje sizobe sifunda ngomndeni. Namhlanje sizobe sifunda ngani? Umndeni. Today we are going to be learning about family. We are going to be learning about family. What are we going to be learning about? Family. Umndeni. Can you say it? Umndeni. Yay! So now we are going to be listing all the family members. Are you ready? Woza sofunda. Lona umkhulu, grandpa. Umkhulu, grandpa. Can you say it? Umkhulu, grandpa. Umkhulu, grandpa. This is my grandpa. Lona umkhulu wami, grandpa. Can you say it? Lona umkhulu wami. Cela usho nawe. Lona umkhulu wami. This is my grandpa. And then this is our grandma. Lona ugogo. Ugogo. Can you say it? Well done. Ugogo. Ugogo. Grandma. Ugogo. Can you say it? Well done. Now let's say, this is my grandma. Lona ugogo wami. Lona ugogo wami. Well done. Umama. Mom. Umama. Mom. Can you say it? Good. Umama. Mom. This is my mother. This is my mother. Umama. Mom. This is my mother. Lona umama wami. Lona umama wami. Dad, ubaba. Dad, ubaba. Lona ubaba wami. This is my dad. Lona ubaba wami. Lona ubaba wami. This is my dad. This is my dad. Lona ubaba wami. Dad, ubaba. Ubaba. Dad, ubaba. Ooh, sister. That is a sister. Can you say usisi? Usisi. Usisi. Sister. Sister. Usisi. Lona usisi wami. This is my sister. Lona usisi wami. This is my sister. Usisi. Usisi. Lona usisi wami. This is my sister. Lona usisi wami. Usisi, sister. Usisi, sister. Can you tell me who is this? Ubani Lona? Usisi, well done. And who do you think I'm going to bring up next? That is correct. Brother. Brother. Ubhuti. Ubhuti. Brother. Ubhuti. Ubhuti. Lona ubhuti wami. Lona ubhuti wami. This is my brother. This is my brother. Lona ubhuti wami. Lona ubhuti wami. My brother. Ooh, I know you love this one. Ngiyazi ukuthi uyamthanda lona. U-auntie. Can you say u-auntie? U-auntie? Aunt. Aunt. U-auntie. U-auntie. Aunt. U-auntie. Aunt. And who do you think is going to follow next? Well done! Yes, it is going to be uncle. It is your uncle. It is your uncle. Can you say umalume? Umalume? Uncle? Uncle? Umalume? Uncle? Umalume? Uncle? Umalume? Lona umalume wami. Lona umalume wami. This is my uncle. This is my uncle. Lona umalume wami. Well done. This is my uncle. Well done. Now, let's see if you can remember all of them. Asibone ukuthi usangabakhumbula bonke labade sibasho. Ngizongnikeza ithombe wena ungitshele igama. I will show you the picture and you tell me the name. This is Umkhulu, grandpa. Yay! Umkhulu, grandpa. Umkhulu, grandpa. Yay! And we have dum 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 dum. Grandma, ugogo. Grandma, ugogo. Yes! Oh, mama, that is mom. Yay! Oh, lovely try. I didn't even have to ask you, smart sausage. This is oh, mama, mum. Oh, mama, mum. Oh, mama, mum. Can you guess the next one? Well done. It is dad. Oh, baba. Dad. Oh, baba. Dad. Oh, baba. This is sister. Oh, my goodness. Usisi. Usisi. Well done. I didn't even have to help you. Rub your stars, smarty, smarty panties. Uhlakaniphile nje wena. Rub your stars. Well done. Sisi. Usisi. Sister. Usisi. Sister. And we have brother. Brother. Ubhuti. 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 Brother. Who am I forgetting? Yes, it is aunt. Aunt. U-auntie. U-auntie. Aunt. U-auntie. Aunt. And the last one is your uncle. Uncle. Umalume. Uncle. Umalume. Uncle. Well done. Namhlanje ufunde ngomndeni wakho wonke. You learned about your entire family. Can you tell me, who do we have in the family? Khona bani emndenini? There is umama, there is ubaba, umkhulu, ugogo, usisi, ubhuti, umalume, no auntie. Oh my goodness, you are so smart. Well done. You have learned all about your family. Ufunde ngomndeni wakho wonke namhlanje. So, for being so smart, rub your stars, rub them deep in your heart. Yay! Rub your stars. Well done. Siyakhalalisela, ufundile namhlanje ngomndeni wakho. Namhlanje ufunde ngani? Umndeni wakho. Well done. I hope you really had a good time in this lesson. I will see you soon. Nisale kahle. Bye.